Hello friends, welcome to carjasus.com. Viewers, car buyers in India always look for an economical advantage, especially in the mileage area. That is the reason car models with high fuel efficiency attract more takers compared to the fuel guzzling ones. However, when it comes to the running cost, very few know that CNG, also known as the green fuel, gives you the most bang for your buck. So how much does it cost to run a car on CNG? It is nearly rupees 1.5 per kilometer based on the current prices. This is significantly cheaper than up to rupees 10 per kilometer for other fuel types such as petrol, diesel and the LPG. And with fuel prices soaring every month, CNG can be seen as a saving grace not only for your pocket but also for the environment. The good thing is that CNG emits least pollutants compared to other fuel choices used in cars. So guys, how can you get CNG in your car? A CNG fuel car can be owned in two ways. One is by getting a CNG kit installed in your car through an outside vendor, or by buying a company-fitted CNG kit car. If you get a CNG kit fitted by an outside vendor, then beware of some of the drawbacks, major one being cancellation of warranty. However, when it comes to factory-fitted CNG cars, this is least of your worries, as they are tested for mileage and the warranty is also secure. So viewers, if you have made up your mind to opt for an eco-friendly CNG version, in this video we'll let you know the 9 best cars available in India with company-fitted CNG kits. But before we start, a small request, don't forget to subscribe to Carjasus and hit the bell icon. Also, if you wish to buy any of these CNG cars, you can buy them at best deals only on carjasus.com. So now let's have a look at the best factory-fitted CNG cars in India. Friends, first in our list is the highly popular Maruti small car, the Alto. This hatchback comes with smart CNG technology offered in two of its variants, LXI and LXI optional. The LXI CNG trim is priced at 4.56 lakh ex-showroom and the LXI optional trim is available at 4.6 lakh ex-showroom. These are the prices at the time of making the video. It also gets 796cc petrol engine coupled with 5-speed manual transmission. The CNG trims deliver maximum power of 41 brake horsepower and peak torque of 60 Newton meters. Moreover, the fuel efficiency of this green trim is 31.59 kilometers per kg. Another car that cannot be excluded from the list of best available CNG cars in India is the Hyundai Santro. This India's favorite family car has been specifically designed keeping family comfort as a priority. It offers a CNG fuel choice along with petrol engine option. The 1.1 litre engine generates a power of 59 PS and a torque of 89 Newton meters when driven on CNG fuel. It is offered in two variants, named as Magna and Sport. The Magna CNG variant is available at a price of 5.92 lakh ex-showroom and the top spec Sport CNG variant is priced at 6.06 lakh ex-showroom. Hyundai Santro CNG returns a mileage of 30.48 kilometers per kg. Viewers, the high-on versatility family hatch WagonR has been one of the best and most frugal, well-equipped entry-level cars in its segment. This hatchback perfectly justifies its existence amongst the top CNG cars available in India. The new generation WagonR, which is even bigger than its predecessor, is offered in two CNG variants, LXI and LXI optional. Packed with 1 litre engine, it generates 60 PS of maximum power and 78 Newton meters of maximum torque. Mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox, the LXI variant is priced at 5.6 lakh, while the LXI optional variant is tagged at 5.67 lakh. These CNG trims deliver the best fuel economy of 32.52 kilometers per kg. Guys, next car in the list is one of the most sober-looking hatchbacks in this segment, the Maruti Celerio. Presented at petrol and CNG choices, it's powered by a 1 litre engine that churns out a promising 59 PS of maximum power and 78 Newton meters of maximum torque when driven with CNG. The two CNG variants, VXI and VXI optional, are priced at 5.85 lakh and 5.9 lakh respectively. The Celerio CNG variants deliver a certified mileage of 31.76 kilometers per kg. Friends, Hyundai Aura is among the very few sedans in the country available with the CNG option. In no time, it has gained popularity amongst the compact sedan buyers, and on sales chart, it gives a tough competition to Maruti Dzire. This sub 4 meter compact sedan is presented in various fuel alternatives, which include petrol, diesel, and of course CNG. It is offered in a single SCNG trim variant and is powered by 1.2 litre CNG engine that produces 69 PS of power and 95 Newton meters of torque. Though not available in automatic trim, the Aura is mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox. The price of the SCNG variant is 7.56 lakh ex-showroom and its fuel efficiency is around 28 kilometers per kilogram. Guys, before we proceed further, we want to inform you that Carjasus is offering some really exciting deals on purchase of new cars. Also, it facilitates car buyers with best offers on car loans and auto insurance policies. So if you're planning to buy a new car, there are a bundle of deals waiting for you only on carjasoos.com. Moving on to the next best available CNG car in India, it is the affordable MPV, the Maruti Eco. The car is money saver not only in terms of pricing but also in terms of daily running due to the offered CNG fuel type. Despite not much of the update in recent years, the Eco continues to sell in good numbers. The very practical and efficient people mover from Maruti comes with 1.2-litre engine that generates output of 63 PS of power and 85 Nm of torque. It is mated to a standard 5-speed gearbox. For maximum returns, the Eco CNG gets a 65-litre tank with which it gives output mileage of 20.88 km per kg. Maruti Eco is also made available in CNG choice for commercial use. The price of Eco CNG is Rs 5.29 lakh ex-showroom. The sporty looking hatchback Hyundai Grand i10 Nios is another fabulous car that comes with CNG fuel choice. The Kappa 1.2-litre petrol engine produces class-leading power output of 69 PS and peak torque of 95 Nm when driven on CNG fuel. The CNG trims are offered in best-selling mid-spec Magna and top-end sports variants, priced at 6.84 lakh and 7.38 lakh respectively. Made for those who are keen to save maximum on fuel expenditure, it delivers a verified fuel efficiency of 26.1 km per kg. So viewers, the 8th car in our list is the highly popular MPV Maruti Ertiga. This car is known for its practicality, performance and premiumness and is offered in single CNG trim in the form of VXI variant. This VXI variant is priced at 9.36 lakh ex-showroom. Initially launched in Soul Petrol Avatar, the greener fuel version was added later to the Ertiga portfolio. The best-selling MPV comes with solo 1.5-litre engine that produces 92 PS of max power and 122 Nm of top torque when driven with CNG as a fuel. Maruti Ertiga VXI CNG is coupled to a 5-speed manual transmission and doles out a verified mileage of 26.08 km per kg. Guys, now let us talk about the last car in the list, the Maruti Espresso. This micro SUV from Maruti features high seating position and gets enough room for 4 adults. The peppy engine becomes more frugal with the CNG offering in 3 of its variants. The LXI, LXI optional and VXI CNG variants are priced at 4.96 lakh, 5.02 lakh and 5.2 lakh respectively. The ideal first car for family comes with 998cc engine that ensures a mileage of 31.2 km per kg with CNG. So viewers, these were the best company fitted CNG cars available in India. Do share your thoughts on these factory fitted CNG cars in the comment section. And if you wish to buy any of these cars at the lowest price, do visit our website www.carjasoos.com. Here on Carjasoos, you can easily compare the best deals offered by authorized multi-brand car dealers. Friends, before we sign off, we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends and contacts who are looking to buy a new car. And don't forget to hit the like button if you think our video deserves one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.